Insane semi-truck smashes, wild wrong-way wackos, uncomfortable close calls, and so much more is coming up in today's episode of
Wham! Bam! Teslacam! I hope you're satisfied!
Kyle was following a Hyundai Palisade down an on-ramp when an out-of-control semi-truck came flying off the off-ramp, smashing head-on into the SUV. Debris flew everywhere as Kayo's Model X miraculously avoided getting damaged at all. Even though dust was covering it after the collision, it didn't receive a single scratch. Kayo immediately pulled over, as did several other witnesses, before running to check on the Hyundai driver and calling 911. Incredibly, she hadn't been seriously injured, but she was unable to exit her vehicle. The first officer to arrive was a motorcycle cop, and Kayo gave him his contact info so he could request his Teslacam footage. When he sent it to him later, the officer let him know that it was incredibly helpful for his investigation. EJ was enjoying a relaxed conversation with friends while letting full self-driving take her Model Y to their destination, when all of a sudden, they watched a white SUV smash into a parked pickup truck before spinning and colliding with a Dodge Durango that had been following behind it. EJ made a U-turn and returned to the scene before parking safely off the road. Police responded almost immediately, and an officer gave her his contact information and the case number so she could send in her Teslacam footage. Interestingly, even though we can clearly see that the Durango was definitely struck by the spinning SUV, it sounds from EJ's story like the Durango driver fled the scene. Alex was driving his Model 3 in Charlotte one night after dinner when he watched the driver of a black sedan sideswipe another car, flipping it upside down. Alex pulled over and called 911, but he said the phone lines were jammed and he couldn't get through, probably because other witnesses were already calling about the same collision. Lots of other witnesses had also stopped. When he determined there was nothing he could do to help, Alex continued on his way. Morgan was driving her Model Y over New York's Whitestone Bridge when she watched a reckless Camaro driver cause a huge collision involving multiple other vehicles. After weaving through traffic like a race car driver wannabe, the Camaro driver slammed into multiple vehicles, bringing bridge traffic to a standstill. As Morgan finally managed to get through the wreckage, the Camaro driver was still climbing across the passenger seat to get out of his destroyed car. His female passenger certainly looked unhappy, but we can't even imagine how the other involved drivers must have reacted. Whatever they said to him, he certainly deserved it. Driving this way on public roads not only endangers yourself, but others as well, and that is not cool. Vihan was driving his Model Y down a highway in Georgia when he watched a van driver cut across a Gore point, failing to notice another driver had already stopped their car there for whatever reason. The mail van smashed into the rear of the car before the driver pulled over and stopped on the shoulder. Talk about a special delivery. Our subscriber had to continue to get to work, but he told us it looked to him like all the people involved were okay. But the same definitely can't be said for their vehicles. Kalidos was headed home in his 3-month-old Model 3 Performance when the driver of a black Audi came flying down the street at a ridiculously high speed before slamming into a parked car. The impact obliterated both vehicles, as well as damaging 2 other nearby vehicles. The Audi also ripped several concrete bollards right out of the ground. The driver immediately got out of the Audi and fled the scene on foot. Kalidos made sure nobody else was left behind in the Audi or in the other vehicle before calling the police. Minutes later, a woman appeared, presumably the owner of the Audi, frantically asking the crowd of bystanders which direction the driver had run away in. According to a local news article provided to us by the subscriber, the 18-year-old driver of the Audi eventually returned to the scene and was charged with hit and run. Thankfully, nobody was injured. Imran was driving his Model 3 in Toronto when a driver approaching from behind in the neighboring lane suddenly lost control before sideswiping Imran's Tesla. After the impact, the car spun and collided with the median barrier before grinding to a halt. Imran called 911 after the driver fled the scene. 2 hours later, the police contacted Imran to let him know they'd located and arrested the other driver. Imran told us his son Ishraq is a huge Wham Bam fan, and when the collision occurred, it was Ishraq that reminded him to save his Teslacam footage. Andrew was on his way to find parking after dropping his sister off to pick up his new phone, but as he made his way across an intersection, his Tesla was T-boned by a red light runner. Even though Andrew's Teslacam footage clearly shows he entered the intersection with a yellow light, the other driver claimed he'd had a green light, which would have been impossible. After Andrew showed this footage to the responding police officer, the officer told him he still believed the other driver's story. Andrew showed him the footage from another angle, exonerating himself beyond a shadow of a doubt, but the cop just told him to let the insurance companies handle it, refusing to find the other driver responsible. Dryden was driving his Model 3 down a California highway when a nearby driver's hood latch suddenly failed and the hood smashed into his windshield. The driver of the car immediately slammed on his brakes. Dryden continued after visually verifying that the other driver was able to safely stop on the shoulder. Porter and his girlfriend were on their way to pick up their dog after an appointment, following behind a dump truck when the driver of a black SUV began to cross the road in front of the truck. The dump truck driver did swerve in an attempt to avoid a collision, but with oncoming traffic in the other lane, he didn't have a lot of options. Thankfully, a Carmel police officer was one of those oncoming drivers, and he stopped after witnessing the collision. Porter also stopped and provided a copy of his Teslacam footage to the officer. This subscriber was on his way to a country club in Joliet when he noticed a pickup truck coming toward him on the wrong side of the median. Our subscriber disengaged autopilot as he prepared to make an evasive maneuver, but the pickup driver noticed his error before hopping the curb and smashing into a sign and several trees. Our subscriber still has no idea what the other driver was thinking, but his theory is that he must have been seriously distracted. This subscriber was on his way home after getting groceries less than a day after getting back from Europe. Check out his impressive reaction time in spite of being jet-lagged and sleep-deprived. He still isn't sure if he stopped his Tesla or if automatic emergency braking took care of it. He'd only had 4 hours of sleep. Thankfully, this ended up being only a close call, and our subscriber was able to continue home for some proper rest. David was on his way home, making the 3-hour drive from New York to New Jersey, when he noticed an erratic driver cutting through traffic. As he cut across the highway and in front of David, the other driver nearly rear-ended an SUV in the travel lane. We've seen some short following distances on this channel, but this one takes the cake. We all know what would have happened if the SUV driver had slowed down even a tiny bit at exactly the wrong moment. Keep your eyes on the road, not on the flashing lights. Cooper was driving his Model Y when drivers in the exit lane started slowing way down to gawk at a collision scene that was completely off the road and out of their way. When one pickup driver who wasn't paying attention slammed on the brakes, he realized he wasn't going to be able to stop in time, so he swerved into Cooper's lane. Thankfully, Cooper was able to swerve into the passing lane to avoid a collision, then hit the juice pedal to get out of harm's way. This subscriber was on his way home in his Model X when an oncoming SUV crossed the center line. The other SUV was behind a semi-truck, so neither driver even saw the other until a collision was nearly imminent. Thankfully, our subscriber was able to swerve off the road to avoid any impact. Gunnies was letting full self-driving take his Cybertruck through Tacoma when an oncoming driver had stopped to make a left turn and the driver behind them followed suit. Suddenly, a Honda driver going too fast to stop swerved into Gunny's lane, but Gunny's told us FSD saved the day by swerving off the road to avoid a head-on collision. The driver behind Gunny's had to do the same thing before the Honda driver got back on his side of the road and everyone continued on. This subscriber was driving across the Benedict Bridge with his wife when he got a strange feeling about the dump truck ahead and started backing off. And not a moment too soon. He told us his original reason for caution was the dump truck crossing the center line and drifting onto the shoulders several times a minute or two before this happened. Amazingly, it seems like the truck driver failed to notice the loss of his cargo, and our subscriber had to slow way down to safely get over the rocks and dirt. He notified the police, but he never heard back from them about it, so he isn't sure what else happened. Kosh was driving his Model 3 across a bridge in Washington, D.C. when he got to see the UK's Royal Air Force aerobatic team fly over while practicing for America's upcoming 250th Independence Day celebration. Gotta love that red, white, and blue. Happy birthday, America, and God bless the USA. Brad was driving his Model 3 long range through Phoenix with his puppy Eli when a driver whose budget outstripped his skills tried and failed to impress a couple of bikers. Sadly for him, what could have been a quick and simple right turn ended up becoming an expensive driving lesson when he lost control and struck the curb. Brad told us he and his puppy couldn't believe their eyes as the other driver spun into the sidewalk, clearly damaging his custom front bumper cover. Time to go ask daddy for more money, kiddo. If you're still not tired of watching terrible drivers wreck their rides, join us next weekend for more epic Teslacam and Sentry mode footage. And in the meantime, check out one of these previous episodes.